people are not gifted. They do hard work, then they get success. Good noon everyone, this is Muskan Praveen and today we all are assembled here for the final round of inter-batch jury competition. And the topic is work from home is good or bad. As my honest opinion, work from home is good. It is especially good for girls. I think so because girls has to leave their job and they have to stop their career after their marriage because they don't have permission to go outside to do job and to earn money. But if there will be an option to do work from home, then they also can do work and can develop themselves. So as I think work from home
Home is not easy as it sounds. It's too difficult to handle office work 24 by 7 by sitting at home only. As we know that our partner started telling to do household work in this corona time, and our and kids also started telling to play with them, so the person can't able to focus on their office work properly. So it's not easy to do work from.
Coin has two sides, a head and a tail. In the same way, work from home has also advantages and some disadvantages. As I think, it is totally based on situation. Because during lockdown, if you are working from home, it is good. But it is not possible for every person. For a soldier, driver, pilot, and everyone, it is not possible. So, in my point of view, work from home is not. Keep on working, don't worry about the result because work is on a hand but result is not. With due respect, I want to put forward my point. Work from home is better because today we are living in modern era, and even in modern era, women are expected to take care of homes and children. With this responsibility, they are forced to leave their jobs, and as I think that work from home is better for that and it's a good for you don't have to see the whole staircase. You just take your first step. As per my knowledge, work from home.
Speak loudly.
As per my knowledge, work from home is not good because when we go for work from home, it makes people feel isolation, which is not good for their health. And if you are not well, then you can't do your work properly. So I don't support.
As per my knowledge, work from home is better because if we are not well, then we work for few times on laptop or on internet. Then we are able to take rest. But if we are on office, then we just complete our one task. Then our boss or our senior officers give us another task.
as I mentioned earlier that work from home is good. There is one more advantage and it is a big advantage of work from home that there is no location barrier. It doesn't matter that where is your office. You can get if you are able, if you are able about that job, then you can get job from if it is situated from other city also, and you can do work from home. And if you can get job from another city, then you have to. There is a disadvantage that you have to leave their family either their job. But if you are working from home, then there is no restriction that you can.
I don't agree with my last speaker as you see yeah, we can do anything whatever we want to do from home, but what about personal development? It comes from by going office only. It's about our personal development. If we don't meet with our colleagues, with different people, so it's not possible to develop our personality. So it's develop our personality is very important to meet with different people. So
I would like to add a few points, and I want to say that having the company of employees is very important for all workers. But if you go for work from home, then it's not possible. On the one hand, teamwork is a bit difficult for all of us.
I want to support the points of one of the last speaker that if we live minimum 50 to 20 kilometers far from our office, then we take minimum 30 minutes or more than that to go to office and while coming also. So if we work, if we do our work from home, then we save our that 1 hour or more than 1 hour. So we use it in different activities or doing more work or completing more tasks.
I agree with my last speaker that we can save our traveling time and we can utilize it in many skills. Means we utilize it in to develop our skills, and it is the best way to use it.
In my opinion, working in home doesn't matter that you are staying at home inside throughout the day. You can take rest and you can choose perfect environment for working. You can work in your garden, you can work in your backyard, and wherever you feel comfortable, you can work. And it gives 91% better work life, 78% better focusment, and 78% less stress and distraction.
If
But
we see-
if you see that in home, our kids are there who always make noises. In that place we can't do work, but in office we get such an involvement of to do work. So at office we can do work more properly. And one of my opponent told that by living at home we can't go out, we can't leave our family also, but for gaining something we have to lose something. So to earn something, earn money, we have to stay away from family.
I partly agree with my last speaker that we know that if we are working from home, then we face many disturbance. That, but I would like to tell that working environment don't create us. We create working environment. If we want to create, then we can develop environment like office at home also if we want.
And we always think about our comfort. But what about soldiers? If they will also want to do work from home, is it possible? Who will save us and who will save our country?
I would like to add some more points. If we talk about workers, then they go office to do work, and they keep their all tension in office only, and they come to house to be relaxed. But if you talk about this, then it must be lost from their life. And if we talk about personal life and work, then if you are not if you can't balance it well, then your work will extend for longer time.
I want to answer one of my last speaker that every work is not for work. Every work is not we do by work from home, because there are many works for which we have to go to our offices. Like if we are a doctor, then we have to go to hospital. If we are a soldier, then we have to go to border. If we are a labor, then we have to go to work site where we have to build buildings and other structures.
In my opinion,
With my last speaker is by living at home only the people get lazy. They thought that yeah, I have I am at home only, so I have my full day. I have 24/7 time to complete my work. So they become lazy and they postpone their work. And if they are in office, they do their work on time. They completed their work on time. And if they are to do work from home, then their salary will be curtailed also.
I want to answer my last speaker that if we basically talk about IT sector, then they have a very much problem. It is a dream that they get a perfect personality and health. But there is my one brother who is related to IT sector. After getting job by work from home, he just work very hard. He just do yogas and workouts, and he get a perfect personality. Even he lose his 10 kg weight. So doing work from home, we also get chance to do extra activities which we like. Like if we have handcraft, if we like to do handcraft art, making handcraft art, then we can do it. If we like to maintain our health, then we can do it. And if we like to do any another thing like we love cooking, we love making videos like short video reels, then we can also do it.
In my friend told that if your office is very far from your home, so it takes much time. So I would like to say him that if a person is travel and it is the only source of earning money, then if nobody will travel, then is it possible to feed their family?
I'm agreed to my opponents, but my thought is quite different. In work from home, you may have to face a specific challenges like information security, hacking of video calls, and on the one hand, there are many workers who don't have a space at their home as an office for doing work, so it's not possible for all of us.
In my opinion, work from home is better because today the whole world are facing the severe pandemic, coronavirus. So don't you think that we should promote work from home to reduce crowding and to prevent the third wave COVID-19? And the advantages of work from home has overcome the disadvantages. Like less usage of fuels, less usage of plastic, less usage of lower greenhouse gas emissions, and it is increases air pollution. So don't you think so that we should promote?
Yes, I agree with you, but what about the people who are lower class and who don't have the much source of income? So from where they will earn?
2 minutes
So
remaining.
from by going
So,
outside
2 minutes
now.
last.
I'm completely agree with you because if you are working from home, then you need a separate room also. So just like office, and you need desk and computer and phone and many more things. And background noises will always disturb you. So I think it is not good. Work from office is good.
I would like to tell that one of my opponents says that if you work at the office and if you are working from home and you didn't complete your homework, then your salary will be deducted. Then I would like to tell that in houses, in our home,
Question.
there will be some circumstances when we have to stop. Then we have to leave our job for some days. But I would like to tell that if we are working from home, then there is no need to take leave. We can do our work after completing that problem and after solving it. And we can do it at night also if we are want to do, if it is our passion that. Yes,
I want to support my last speaker that if we work from home, then we are able to give our time to our family also.
I oppose to my opponents because I don't agree with you because if you will spend more and more time, then it will harm also. If you are going to office and at the time of coming you will bring something for your family, it will make them happy.
I would like to add some points. Sometimes it happens that when we spend more and more time with the person, then we don't understand the value of that person. But if you go far from that person, then definitely you will realize what is the value of guys.
So yeah, you are right that you told that the person who are not working from home. What about that? They are only option by
She's the last speaker in
working
open round.
by going outside only, na. So what's the need that to do work from home only?
Now question now.
I'm just giving one line. One by one, you just speak 4 or 5 lines on that. Okay. My line is: work from home is an option and not a solution. This is my statement. Just a speak.
You give your reaction. Work from home is an option, not a solution.
I agree with the statement that is work from home is an option, not solution. Means as we know we can't do every work from home. Means we saw that in Corona period we adopted it for uh, for for uh, for survival, because if we didn't adopted it, we will not stand, means we will not there. And if we are talking about solution, means it is not a solution. I agree with.
Work from home is an option if there so many people are there, those who are driver, pilot, soldier, and salesman. Is it possible for them? No. So I think it's not solution, and it is not possible for every person.
Work from home is not is the option, not a solution. As we all know that due to this corona period, we all are stuck in home only. So we can't meet with our friends. We are not socially open. So kids are not playing outside. They are not engaged with friends. So it's not good for the growth of children's mental growth. So it's a option to be home for some time. It's not a solution to be stay at home for a long time.
In my opinion, work from home is an option. It's not a solution because we have suffered corona pandemic. So that time people work from home, and it's not possible for everyone because poor people cannot work from home. So I think it's just an option. It's not a solution.
Don't you think that this trend will separate us from the friends, families, and our colleagues?
Yes, you are right, sir. Due to work from home, we are not able to meet with our school friends, college friends, with our colleagues also, and it's very bad for our personal growth also that we are not socially open.
It is right that in this era, because of this trend, we are not able to meet our colleagues, friends, and family physically, but we are able to meet them visually by video call, by audio call, by sending them photos by WhatsApp and Insta.
The way I see it means it separates us, and we are not able to meet with our family members also. If we are, but we can talk to our family members with internet means through internet, and we can talk to them. But it will not means you will not get the enjoyment for your means talking and whatever. If you will spend time, then you will get the what is the value of families and the friends. That's all.
In my opinion, during corona pandemic, if you have the life, you have the world. So I think we should keep separate to our parents and friends. But we should keep in touch with that. We should make aware about coronavirus. So I think we should